All right, hopefully this video ages as well as all my other videos, but what do I want to talk about? I want to give a refresher. It's 2021. I got some videos about ceramic coatings for 2019 and 2018, and a lot has changed over the last 3 years from some of those videos. And now I exclusively install Ceramic Pro. So what does that mean? Does that mean all the other coatings are bad? No, they're not bad. I just found the coating that I feel is best for my clients and best for me. The longevity of Ceramic Pro has been proven. I have seen it year after year after year after year since 2016. And in my opinion, it's outperformed everything else. The system of Ceramic Pro is a titanium dioxide base coat with a silicon dioxide top coat. Now, if you're a chemist, beat me up if you want, because I'm not a chemist. But from what I've learned by studying the SDSs and MDSs of all these coatings, when you have a titanium dioxide base coat, it's giving you real hardness. A silicon dioxide is not going to give you any hardness at all. It's going to just give you the hydrophobic properties, the slickness, the easy cleaning, and the gloss that everybody likes to see. But Ceramic Pro's system of using titanium dioxide base coat and silicon dioxide base top coat has been great. So enough about that. That's why I choose Ceramic Pro. I choose Ceramic Pro because it was better than OptiCoat. It was better than 22 PLE. It was better than IGL. It was better than G-Technic. These are all professional coatings I tested starting in 2013. Some got dropped within 2 years and some I kept installing until 2018. Now, I've explained to you what Ceramic Pro is. Now, a majority of all the other coatings on the market, look for the MDS, which is the Material Safety Data Sheet or the Safety Data Sheet. It gives you the chemical composition of the coating. It tells you what it's made of. So all you oil field people, you should be very familiar with it. Tell you what the coating is made of. And you're going to see a lot of them are SiO2 based. In Louisiana, an SiO2 based coating is going to last 16 months. Poof, gone. And it's done. You lose all of the properties of it, and of course, you don't have any scratch resistance. There's no hardness to it. It's just slick and hydrophobic and easy to clean. So SiO2 alone is not going to solve your problem. It's not even, I consider, a permanent ceramic coating. You can discern for yourself which coating you might want to go with. I'm no salesman. I'm going to give you the information. With Ceramic Pro, though, you have to have an annual inspection. What does the annual inspection do? Well, of course, once a year, you bring in your vehicle. I'm gonna give it a full detail, as they say in the industry. Address little minor issues, and I put a brand new layer of Ceramic Pro Top Coat, which is SiO2 based. Knowing that it's only gonna last 16 months, putting this on every year for your annual, make sure Ceramic Pro system is whole. That's the only way it's gonna stay whole. Other places will do something and they'll use Sport. Sport is garbage in my opinion. It's a sealant. It's temporary. 6 months later, it's gone. Trash. I don't touch it. I don't buy it. I don't use it at all. Why would I use it when the system needs to remain whole? So I put top coat back on every year for your annual inspection. So Ceramic Pro is not going to degrade. Its performance is not going to get worse and worse every year. And of course, if the system stays whole, the coating's going to perform year after year after year after year. What else does my business do when installing ceramic coatings that's a little bit different than everybody else is? I'm going to give you a maintenance kit free of charge. What's that maintenance kit? The maintenance kit is microfibers, concentrated solutions and washes to clean your vehicle so that you have everything you need from the time you leave my shop to take care of your vehicle. I tell people, do research. And when I say do research, don't just go to a manufacturer's website and see all of the sales ads. Just dig into it. Do real searches to see real world results. Look up installers that are showing you the performance of the vehicle year after year after year. Now, if you look on my channel, you will see vehicles, annual inspections going on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. And what to expect with real information. Not the gimmicks of, hey man, you don't wax and you don't seal it. Oh, hey man, it's glossy. Yeah, that's great. Those are some of the things that you get with the coating, but is it truly a coating, or did you get scammed when you gave that person $400 to do everything in a day? But also know that it takes 4 days. It took 6 to do one like this. A real coating is not something that's rushed. While doing the research, get a feel for who's giving you true information. Are they answering your questions? Are they giving you the runaround? Are they just trying to get you in the door by giving you all the cheap prices that no one else will give you? Do they have any awards? Graphene! Everybody's talking about something called graphene. What is graphene? You can look that up on Google, the molecular formula of graphene. It's adding some hardness to things. It's lowering temperatures of substances and substrates that it's applied to or mixed with. For a coating, well, also there's flexibility as well. So as substrates expand and contract, graphene allows it to do that without breakdown or without any damage done. But for a coating, what it should be doing is reducing water spots. And does Ceramic Pro have graphene in it? No, it does not. There is a new formula of Ceramic Pro coming out, but it doesn't have graphene in it. Graphene doesn't add any more hardness to ceramic coatings at the moment and has not been proven to do so. When looking for ceramic coating, for whatever you want to coat, just get the right information. Get real information. Don't fall for gimmicks. If it's cheap, remember, you get what you pay for. If it's expensive, make sure you're getting what you're supposed to be paying for. Make sure the installer is giving you documentation. If there's a warranty, you should have a warranty book. You should have documentation about that warranty. You should be able to look up that warranty. You should have a warm and fuzzy feeling when you talk with the installer in getting that coating. It shouldn't be a rush job. It shouldn't be there shouldn't be a lot of anxiety going on between you and the installer. And you shouldn't walk away questioning if you should get it or if you even trust a coating. With Polished by Full Attention to Detail, all my clients have had all of their questions answered and have had everything that they expected delivered to them. So let's recap. Why should you get a ceramic coating? How long does it take you to clean your vehicle? Does it take half a day? Get it ceramic coated and get it cleaned in less than an hour. Does your vehicle have the scratches and the swirls on it when you've only had it for a year? Get it ceramic coated because it helps resist this way, way longer. I've had vehicles that have been out for years with no swirl marks in it. They have micro scratches here and there, but no heavy swirling. And the color, the gloss, nothing beats the gloss of what a ceramic coating brings. Especially when you multi-layer applications of a coating. You get a rich, deep gloss that you can't get with a wax or a sealant. Oh, and you don't have to wax and you don't have to seal a ceramic coating either. So you save time in the long run. Why else would you get a ceramic coating? It's true UV protection. You're adding microns of thickness of protection against UV damage on your OEM clear coat. Wax can't compare, no matter how much wax you put on. the hydrophobic properties. You like seeing those beads? Those beads will go forever. So they never stop. They impress everybody. So you get that ultra hydrophobic properties with ceramic coatings. Anti-stick properties. So an example is, I've had clients that have had, somebody's bumper graze their vehicle. Mr. Justin Owens, he has an orange M4. It's happened to him at least twice. Somebody's rubbed up against it, and he was able to wipe the paint transfer off. Less things stuck to it. And then that leads to the bugs. Louisiana. What is our dreaded problem? Bugs. Love bugs. Bugs, bugs, bugs. Getting these bugs off, super easy. It's also etch resistant. It's not etch proof. It's etch resistant. So getting bugs off, easy. You don't get a ton of damage to the OEM clear coat. The coating might take some of that damage, and sometimes you don't even see any damage because the coating had, resisted that chemical and that acid. Water etching. Let the coating get that damage, not your OEM clear coat. Water spots, though. Water spots will happen, but there's a solution. I've got a video about it. There's a solution that gets the water spots off. Tout sweet, no problemo. So those are the benefits of a ceramic coating. So go outside and look at your vehicle. Get an LED. Look at your vehicle and compare it to the vehicles that we deliver. Now, whoa, wait, I'm not a know-it-all, but I am a professional and I've been doing it since 2013. So I've learned how this really works, and I'm giving you guys the truth. That's why the channel has hundreds of videos with tens of thousands of views and hundreds of vehicles that have been delivered to hundreds of satisfied clients. I'm only giving you knowledge. I want you to be prepared and have the information you need to make a decision on who you're going to go to. So who's next?